Good morning, Todd. What are you doing out? Hey, big boy. So I went ahead and started letting the little chicks out. They seem to be incorporating just fine within the flock, which makes me happy. Mama takes good care of them. And I haven't really seen any problems with any of the other hens or roosters, so I'm very pleased. It was 24 this morning when I came out to let the chickens out and make sure that they had fresh water this morning. I've actually been putting their watering bowls in the greenhouse, and I just take them up, put them back out into their chicken area, their chicken run, and pour some fresh water into it, and everybody's happy. I'm happy too. And I don't have to worry about frozen bowls. I'm just gonna quickly touch on my mental health or grieving process. I actually found some anger, which I haven't had all these months. So I think this has helped me quite a bit, finding the anger. I woke up this morning, I feel a lot more positive. I feel ready to start my day and get something accomplished. So that is what I'm going to do today. Today I'm going to do pretty basic stuff, and basically it's just cleaning up after the chickens. I haven't really done a whole lot. They need fresh hay and more shavings put down, and their food got wet and it's dry in their feeders, so I need to take care of that. There's a lot of poop I need to take care of too. I don't know why I say poop that way, I really don't. Chicken yuckiness. Anyway, I'm back here in the front field. Looking back here at the feeder. Went ahead and spun it. I have a salt lick out here. It's actually just about gone, which is good because it needs to be gone a couple of weeks before I can hunt over this field. I don't think I'm gonna hunt over this field, but you know, if I wanted to, I could. I'm gonna spin some more corn out. I'm hoping this thing empties here pretty soon. It still feels full though. But I think I have decided for this video that I'm going to do, I guess, I want to do 10 things, but it may just be 5. I think I'm just going to go through the day and just say the things that I love the most about the farm, and then put them in some type of numeric order, and I will name the title that. That will be my video for today. The things that I love most about the farm. One of the things I love about the farm is the freedom to walk in the woods and the solitude and peacefulness that it affords me. I am very lucky to have those things. Yes, I miss people. With the way things are going right now, it's hard to spend time. What's up, Justice? It's hard to spend time with people because, you know, we are afraid. But under normal conditions, this is a haven for peacefulness and solitude for me, and I do appreciate it. And even though I don't hunt yet, I do appreciate the fact that there are plenty of deer and squirrels and raccoons and possums and other creatures that hopefully I will learn how to hunt and fill my freezer. Yeah, I appreciate the fact that I can do that out here on the farm. I love the vintage buildings here, and although they're not being used for what they were designed for, I know, or I plan to someday, to get them back into some semblance of working order and try to use them for what they were built for. I like having that idea, so that's the plan for the vintage farm buildings here. I love my chickens. They are the reason that I stayed here. I think they're the reason. It's hard to explain. When I got them, I think my husband made me get them so that I would be tethered to the farm and couldn't leave. And he was right. It has made it difficult, and I do leave, but I always come back. These guys also give me sustainability. Right now, just with their eggs, we have lots of eggs and we eat a lot of eggs. So that helps a little. We always know that we have something to eat. And of course with 3 roosters, there's always chicken available. And with a broody hen, that also helps increase our flock size. And I also have an incubator, and hopefully one day I'll use that to start my meat flock. I love all the fruit trees. I have the figs here and the blueberry bushes here. Huge bramble of blueberries. And here in the orchard, we have pears, peaches, and nectarines. I have a small apple, some figs. I have elderberry and lots of plans for this area here, and we'll talk about those some other time. And even though there's not much in the garden right now, I really do love the garden here on the farm. We just have turnips, some radishes, and some mustards down in the lower field. But that was just my first year, and I think I did okay. Nothing great. I made a lot of mistakes. I learned a lot this year. But if I had to say anything was the most important, learning, gardening, farming, for me right now, that's the most important thing. I want to be able to grow our food successfully. And even though we only got one good meal of peas out of this little section, I did learn a lot, and I keep hoping that I can come out here and pull out some of the dry peas, the dry pea pods, but it's so wet, I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to. It's pretty much done, and I just got to get my fence up. And I can't forget the tractor. Of all the tools I have, that is my favorite one. It helps me out the most, and it has made my life so much easier. Love that tractor. And just to be clear, that's not my tractor, it's the family tractor, but I do have use of it, and I'm very thankful for that. Very thankful. And then there is the greenhouse. This so far has kept me sane so far this winter. The greenhouse has not worked as well as I hoped it would, but that's another video. But like I said, I would be lost without it, and it is going to be very important when we start our spring planting. We will start all our seedlings in here and help us get an early start on the season. I think this is going to make a huge difference next spring. Fingers crossed, see if I can get them crossed, fingers crossed, that we can get a good tomato crop next year. Here's hoping. So that is going to be the long list of things I love about the farm. Of course, they all hold second place to my family here. Eleanor, my dog, all the in-laws or outlaws that are in this area whom I know I can depend on if I need them. And hopefully they know that they can depend on me if they need me. So that's going to be the end to this video. Thanks for coming by and visiting and hanging out for a few minutes. Those roosters are fighting again. Oh well. It's always something. You guys have a great day.